to post on Facebook, the first thing you need to do is navigate to the page that you want to use. So in this example, we're going to use the results repeat page. The next thing you need to do is there's two different ways to do this. The first way is to find the post that you want to boost, and there's going to be a blue button that you can use. Otherwise, what you can do is you can go into your publishing tools. And same thing, you can select the post that you want to boost. It's going to bring up a box that has that blue boost post button. So when you click that, it brings you to all of the different options that you can have for your boosted post. There's a drop down for your call to action button. So in this example, we're trying to get people to sign up for our Lunch and Learn webinar. So we'll use the sign up option. If you're a credit, employment, or housing offer, there is a special ad category that you would have to turn on. And then it talks about who you want to target. Typically, you're going to want to target your local area, but you can change this and it can be more specific depending on who you are trying to target. We're going to keep the automatic placements on. And then it talks about your budget and how long you want it to go. So we can have this go for 5 days. It's going to end on August 24th, and our total budget is $10. It's going to tell us a little bit about the number of people that we will be able to reach, and it will tell us that we're going to spend $2 a day and that it's going to run for 5 days and the date that it wants to end on. We're going to keep it to US dollars, and you're going to pick the ad account that you're going to charge it to. For this example, we'll just leave it as the default. And then you're just going to click boost. So because I don't have a payment method set up, it's going to ask me to set all that up. Once you put in the information and hit continue, it'll go ahead and boost your post for you.